welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing a pool party. We'll be doing a pool. We'll be organizing our pool party outside. So we wanted to show you guys that, right? Are you excited to jump in the pool?
We are super excited.
And then ignore our faces with sunscreen on them.
Yeah. Oh, I don't that much actually. I do. No, I don't. Okay. So we're gonna set up our table outside, and then we will be jumping in the pool. We good?
So
all right.
let's get going.
Yeah, so most of our stuff we got it from Dollar Tree. We got this tablecloth and a few other things. So we'll be setting up a table outside. So watermelon. Pizza, money.
Picking my pineapples because I don't like pineapple on my pizza.
And a lot of sunscreen. Navi loves her beauty care. And breathe.
No, that would be another.
Right? Sean?
Where's
Myra. This is our Money's community pool. So we got to come in today here.
Mama, if anybody else's face comes in,
you see everyone's in the pool, and I was the one who was making video. And then you can see Money there, Nabi is there somewhere. And I'm gonna go jump in the pool. See you.
मैं हूँ और सी साइड पे पानी का शोर आजा मेरी बाहों में girl what you waiting for तुझको मैं लेके चलूं फिर प्यारी सी यॉट पे हो जाएंगे हम नली नली बुक शॉट पे पानी 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 पानी